Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will be seeing how can you fix your Verizon voicemail not working on iPhone as well as Android, and how can you set up and sync those steps. Fix 1. Check your cellular signal. Make sure you have Verizon network coverage. If you are in a poor coverage area, move to a location with a stronger signal. Fix 2. Restart your phone. For iPhone, you can power off your iPhone, wait for 30 seconds and turn it back on. On Android, press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. Fix 3. Check for a Verizon outage. A temporary Verizon network outage can affect voicemail services. If there's an outage in your area, wait until service is restored. Fix 4. Make sure voicemail is set up. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab on iPhone or access voicemail from the phone app on Android. Follow the prompts to complete the setup if needed. Fix 5. Update carrier settings on iPhone. Connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings, select General, and then go to About. If a carrier settings update is available, tap on Update. Fix 6. Update the phone software. Install the latest software update. On iPhone, go to Settings, select General, and then go to Software Update. On Android, you can go to Settings, select System, and then select Software Update, which may vary by device. Fix 7. Reset network settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, select General, and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then select Reset network settings. On Android, the steps may vary by manufacturer. You need to look for Reset network settings under Settings, select System, and then select Reset option or a similar menu. Fix 8. Check for visual voicemail. Make sure the My Verizon and visual voicemail apps, if applicable, are up to date. Turn mobile data on as visual voicemail requires a data connection. Force close and reopen the app. Fix 9. Test your voicemail. Call your Verizon number from another phone and leave yourself a message. If the call doesn't go to voicemail or the message never appears, there may be an account or network issue. Fix 10. You need to contact Verizon support. If voicemail still isn't working, you need to ask Verizon to verify that voicemail is enabled on your account. Request a voicemail reset if needed, and if you are using a physical SIM, Verizon may also recommend replacing it if it's causing network issues. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.